If you're struggling to track production data and metrics in spreadsheets, Praxie can help with a complete suite of out-of-the-box software tools for production monitoring and reporting, AI-powered and easily tailored to your exact needs. Manual options for end-of-shift tracking, enabling easy data entry by line managers into forms or the Praxie spreadsheet widget with automatic daily roll-up and AI analysis. Or automated data collection of machine data used to calculate availability, performance, quality, and overall equipment effectiveness. Data thresholds can trigger automated notifications, SOPs, or maintenance requests. Praxie also provides critical tools to optimize production like AI-powered scheduling, escalation, and maintenance management. Praxie solutions can be delivered in days, are easy to use, and provide rapid ROI to our customers. Schedule a demo today and see Praxie's production monitoring solutions in action.